Wait, guys. I'm not set up. Oh shit, I gotta get my earbuds in. Wait. Wait for me. What? How's that miss? What? What? How does that miss? Dude, Leatherface is so janky, bro. I don't know if it's because I'm on mouse and keyboard. Like, maybe it's worse on mouse and keyboard. I don't know. It's like, sometimes it auto aims, and other times it doesn't auto aim. It's really weird. Alright, we need to get rid of these barriers. Because, like, sometimes victims will be running, like, loops around me, and my character will turn around and smack them with the chainsaw. Like, it's really weird. And then other times like that, like, it just doesn't lock on at all. Okay, I think they have 2 doors open. That's really weird. Is this a 4-stack? It seems like a 4-stack. Really surprised these guys don't have a door open or a gate yet. Oh yeah, they definitely do, right? Yeah. Yeah, they got gen side open. What is this Sunny doing? Did he give up? Gotcha. Finally, Jesus. I need Johnny to stay over there. Teammates have no idea what's going on, I think. Oh, they're on Grandpa. Boom, baby, clothesline. Gotcha. Gotcha. Probably going out gen side, I'm guessing, yeah. Because they got both gates open, so they probably told them that. Yeah, Sissy and Johnny aren't watching. I need to feed Grandpa to get blood, but I can't stop patrolling, because if I do, they're just gonna get out somewhere. Oh, okay, they're fighting right here. Is she dying? Oh no, she's not. Nice, okay. I kinda want to feed Grandpa. I don't really know if we need to. I think she's opening up gas station, but I'm not sure. Yeah, she is. Come here, Anna. Hello. Surprise! She's incapped. We need to... Okay, we got Grandpa 3. Okay, this should be easy now. I'm actually surprised that we got them. Like, both my teammates are, like, pretty brand new. Hello. Wonder if the thicket door is open or not. I think it is. So I'm assuming she needs to heal, right? But she might have went thicket door, healed, and then went up. Because she might have extra grip. Oh yeah, she's right here. You're not going to make it to that ladder, bro. You're going to have to do shake and bake on me again. Ooh, no shake and bake this time. Clothesline. Chainsaw. Did I just get a 4K, bro? Ah, shit. Johnny got a kill. These guys are going to be more tryhard than the last team. Boom, baby, clothesline. Chainsaw. Hell yeah. Oops. Man, this Leland is terrible. Oh, we got me that time. Lol. Lol. Wow, that's a long stun. That do be a long stun, my boy. That do be a long stun, my boy. So I am slowing the victims down, so will the cook for the bones, so the bones can hopefully get us to level 5 pretty quick. I can feed Grandpa too. Just need to make sure, because like Bones is feeding... Oh, yeah, he's on Grandpa. I think these guys are shroom sniping, by the way. Not 100% sure. Pretty sure. Clothesline. Chainsaw. Yeah, that's what I like to see, baby. I like to see. Alright, where's the pressure valve at? He's gonna backstab me. Okay, so one's over there, dying. And, okay, so I think it's Wyatt's the only one that's left. Okay, where you at, Wyatt? What we doing, Wyatt? What we doing? Got a little shake and bake for me, baby? Ooh, we got exterior alarms. This is a GG, my boy. GG. Easy. I think Wyatt's in the house somewhere, probably. Oh yeah, he's got the fuse open. I know the gates are open, right? I could feed Grandpa, but... There's nowhere to hide, Wyatt. You gonna do that fuse, Wyatt? Fuck, I missed. Fucking missed, like a dumbass. Is it going down the well? Victim bled out. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Is he dying? Okay, he's dying. Gotcha. Nice. GG.